Hey everyone, I hope you all are enjoying this beautiful spring day. We're here at the Ashokan Center garden and we're going to actually start some seeds today for our garden this spring and summer. This time of year is a great time to start peppers, so we're going to start some banana peppers, some jalapenos. It's also a good time to start your tomatoes and your cucumbers. So a couple things you'll need to start your seeds is some trays with soil. I've already put our soil in. If you don't have trays like this at home, that's fine. You can use little planters like this that will compost down when you plant them in your beds, or really any plastic cup, just as long as you poke holes in the bottom so there's drainage for your seeds. So we got our little pepper seeds, and we're just going to take our finger and make a little indentation in the soil, maybe 1/4 of an inch deep, pop a seed in, and then cover it up. So I've just finished planting this whole tray of seeds. The next thing you want to do is label so you don't forget which seeds you planted where. So I just used little popsicle sticks and wrote on there with a Sharpie what I planted in each area. Watering is very important for your seedlings. You never want your seedlings to dry out. We just turned this old seltzer bottle into a little watering can by poking some holes in the top, and that will be a really light watering for the seeds so they don't get washed away like they would with a big watering can. So I'm going to go ahead and water all our seeds. Our seedlings are going to go into the Ashokan greenhouse. At home, you can just put your seedlings in a sunny window and cover them with some plastic. You can use Ziploc bags to cover them just so they stay moist for a longer period of time. Alright, so now they're nice and moist. We bought our seeds from a local nursery, but you can buy your seeds online. You don't have to go out to a store during this crazy time. There's lots of websites where you can buy your seeds from. We would love to hear what you all are planting at home. You can comment on this post with what seeds you're starting, maybe include some pictures. We'll keep you all posted when our seeds start to pop and sprout, and talk about transplanting in a couple weeks. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and check out the Ashokan Facebook for more videos.